that they need to be safe in whatever they are doing. And I would want to join the bishop by requesting you, Your Excellency, that we consider that these athletes actually go to that extent. Allow me on behalf of the athletes also to humbly request you that honorable members of parliament, that we put up legislations that fully takes care of their heroes, of these heroes, now and in the future. If it is legislated well, I believe that a lot of things will be taken care of, and we are ready, Your Excellency, to participate in the drafting of that legislation so that we can take care of these athletes in a better manner, instead of going into other details to say we would like this, we would like that, and so forth and so on. And that will include, for example, that the athletes who have gone to school and they have gone to the university and they have graduated and they are not employed, be considered for employment in government, so that they have something to do. As I said, Your Excellency, athletes retire at a very early age. The athletes who go beyond 40 in athletics are very, very few. Currently, I think we have got only 2. The rest have retired at 30, 32, 35, 38. And so between 40 and if God gives them time until they are over 100, they have got a lot of time in between here. And so if they get something to do, they'll be able to take care of their families. And I think I would like to end there for now, Your Excellency. I want to thank you once again